साक्षात विष्णु मेरे द्वार पर आए और मैं उनको खाली हाथ छोड़ दूं? मैं निश्चित रूप से दूंगा, निश्चित रूप से। कमंडल से जल निकलने नहीं दूंगा। वामन भगवान ने कहा, अरे बलि कुछ कचरा फंस गया तेरे कमंडल में।
Now Bali Maharaj decided that I will donate. Now Shukracharya ji tried to stop Bali Maharaj to take the vow by entering into the water pot. Now Bali Maharaj applied a stick inside the hole of the pot, which made Shukracharya blind from one eye. Now finally he took the vow and said that I give you land equal to your 3 footsteps. And then at that time, the same thing happened what Guruji said. Till now he was showing a very small dwarf form. Now he expanded himself so much, started touching the sky. He covered the whole earth from 1 feet, and from 2nd feet he covered the whole universe. And from that there came a hole in the universe. Brahmaji thought that, oh, it's such a great opportunity, it's a great matter that today I'll get the Charanamrit of the Lord. And at that same time, Sri Brahmaji washed the lotus feet of the Lord and held in the Kamandal, in the water pot. Now, that Charanamrit of Vaman Bhagwan which Brahmaji held, that Charanamrit is this Bhagavate Ganga. This is Charanamrit of Bhagwan. This is Vaman Bhagwan's Charanamrit. All glories to Ganga Maharani. So this is that same Charanamrit which appeared from the lotus feet of Vaman Bhagwan.
लेकिन एक और गंगा जी है, वो हमारे ब्रज की है।
But there is another Ganga ji. She is from our Braj. Her name is Manasi Ganga.
एक बार ब्रजवासी,
Now once Brajvasi Shri Nand ji,
जो ब्रज के राजा हैं,
who is the king of Braj,
अपने सारे ब्रजवासियों को लेकर अपनी अपनी बैलगाड़ी पे कहीं जा रहे थे। कन्हैया ने आकर पूछा, बाबा कहाँ जाने की तैयारी है?
Brajvasis, they were going on a bullock cart to Haridwar for taking Ganga bath. Now Krishna stopped and asked that, Baba, why do you need to go to Ganga to Haridwar? See, Braj, our Vrindavan has all the tirthas, our Braj has all the holy rivers, everything. Nand Baba said, oh, you are a little child, seriously. My son, in Braj, only Yamuna ji flows, not Ganga ji. He said, no Baba, in our Braj, Ganga ji also stays. Baba asked where it is. Now at the same time, Krishna desired Ganga to come at once. He called, oh Ganga, please come at once. And then that same Ganga who came, that Ganga, which Ganga? In Golok Vrindavan, Ganga ji is like a Sakhi of Krishna, who actually presented herself for the service and pastimes of Krishna. See, once Krishna desired to perform playful pastime with Ganga. Not this Ganga. This Ganga is Charnamrit of Vaman Bhagwan. But that Ganga which is in Golok Vrindavan like a Sakhi. So Krishna is desiring to perform playful pastime with this Sakhi Ganga. Now who can say no to Krishna? Now when Ganga came near to Krishna,
और जैसे सामने से
Now,
राधा
Radha ji came,
गंगा जी
and as soon as Radha ji was coming, so Ganga ji became very shy and hesitant, because the one who is qualified for Krishna's service is only Srimati Radharani.
इसलिए वो गंगा जी वहां
So
पर
that's
जा
why
गई
that Ganga ji became very ashamed and very shy,
प्रवाहित होने
and
लगी, जल बन गई,
she
जिससे
became
राधा
like
जी
a
पहचान ना
water.
पाए।
She became in liquid form.
उन्हीं गंगा
So
जी को
through which Radharani will not be able to see her. Now that same Ganga was called by Krishna in Govardhanji, and that same Ganga became Mansi Ganga in Braj, near Govardhanji, in the form of Manasi Ganga. Shri Ganga ji is present there. That is main Ganga, that is the original Ganga which appeared from the heart, from the mind of Krishna, who is a Sakhi from Golok Vrindavan. And this Ganga on whose bank we are sitting, this is that Ganga which is like Charnamrit appeared from the lotus feet of Vaman Bhagwan. But the original Ganga is Mahanasi Ganga of Braj, and this Ganga is like an expansion of that original Ganga. So that Ganga is the topmost and the real original Ganga, in which Shri Krishna, he performs boat pastime with all his Sakhis and Gopis. That Mansi Ganga in which Krishna performs playful water pastime on the boat. So how Ganga ji became so fortunate? In Braj, only river is Yamuna ji. Then how Ganga ji became so fortunate there? Once Ganga ji prayed to Yamuna ji that, "Oh Yamuna, you are like my sister. But you are much more fortunate than me. I could never got such fortune. So, oh Jamune, please apply our approach as well." The Lord actually performs playful pastimes on your banks. Oh, hey Jamune, please apply our approach as well. So Ganga ji said that, "Okay, I'll apply some approach for you." Yamuna ji said to Ganga. So Yamuna ji told the Lord that, "Oh, my sister Ganga also wants to serve you. In your Prakat Leela, in your manifested pastime, Ganga ji also wants to serve you." So Bhagwan said, "Okay, fine. Ganga ji will also get the qualification of service." Now hearing these prayers from Yamuna ji, then Bhagwan called out that Ganga ji which in the form of Mansi Ganga is present in Govardhan. And then Ganga ji also got the opportunity to serve. But greed is, these are transcendental greed. The greed becomes transcendental when it becomes the greed to serve the Lord. So that same Ganga ji, she said that in Dwapar, in the form of Krishna Swarup, I served you. But I heard that you are going to take an incarnation in Kali Yuga as well. So Krishna said, "Oh Ganga, who told you?" Ganga said, "I have heard everything. In the first part of Kali Yuga, you will come as Sachinandan Gaur Hari in Sri Navadvip Mayapur. Prabhu, please make me fortunate to serve you." So if you have greed, then apply that greed for the service of the Lord. Just see the greed of Ganga ji. How beautiful it is. When seeing this greed of Ganga ji, Krishna said that, "Oh Gange, for sure, you reside in Navadvip Mayapur and I will again make you fortunate there." So that same Krishna came in the form of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Avatar Sar Gaur Avatar, the essence of all incarnation, Sri Sachinandan Gaur Hari. He took birth in Navadvip Mayapur on the banks of Ganges. How beautiful, naughty, beautiful pastime, mischievous pastimes he is performing. The way Shri Krishna performed butter stealing pastime and he created a havoc in Braj, in the same way that same Krishna 500 years back he came in Bengal, in Mayapur, in the form of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Gauranga Nimai, he again created a havoc of love in Mayapur. In Gangaji, Brahmanas used to take bath, and Mahaprabhu, he used to get into the water, and from below he used to pull the feet of Brahmanas. Brahmanas used to think that some alligator, some crocodile has come, and they used to scream out loudly. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, with clapping hands and laughing out loud, they used to tease all these Brahmanas. Some Matajis, they used to apply massage oil on their little child's body, and they used to keep their children on the bank, and they used to take bath in Ganges. Now Mahaprabhu will take the water of Ganges in the mouth, and he'll come out of the Ganges, and he will just throw water in the ears of those little infant children. Now when the children were crying, the Matajis will come running like anything, and they become so upset that "Hey, this Nimai has really disturbed us so much." Some young girls, for getting a nice husband, they used to worship Gangaji and Shivji. So those young girls, in front of them also, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he used to come in front, and he used to say, "Oh, how can you get any husband as beautiful as me? Who can be better husband of you, better than me? I am your real husband. I am the best husband." So all the young girls used to say, "Nimai, don't disturb us so much. We have come here to worship Shivji, to worship Gangaji." Now Nimai used to say, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to say, "Arey, this Shiv and Ganga, they are my servants. Who can be better than me? I am your real husband." The young girls would say, "You just go away from here, otherwise we will complain about you to your mother." So like this, Mahaprabhu on the banks of Ganges, how beautiful pastime he used to perform. So many glories of Gangaji. There is no end of it. So that's why Shri Vaman Bhagavan, from second footstep, he covered the whole universe, and he told his vehicle Garud, saying that this Bali, he is a liar. Just catch him, just bind him with the Nagpash. He told he will give me 3 footsteps land, but I have covered everything in 2 footsteps only. Now where should I keep my 3rd footstep? Oh Bali, you only tell. Vaman Bhagwan is thinking he is very clever, and he is cheating Bali nicely. But Bhagwan does not know this, that the devotees of the Lord are much more clever than the Lord himself. So Bali Raja, he is the king of all demons, but he is the best of all devotees. He asked this question to Vaman Bhagwan, saying that, "Prabhu, tell me, who is bigger, the donor or the donation?" Bhagwan said, "This is very simple. This is very simple to answer. Obviously, donation is lesser, is lower than the donor. Donor is greater." "Oh, that's it. I just wanted to hear this. See, oh Lord, till now I have given you my donation. But still this donor is left. I have not offered myself to you. So that's why, oh Lord, you keep your 3rd feet on my head. You have taken everything that belonged to me. Now, why are you leaving me? I am also yours." Now Bhagwan became very much distressed. Why he became distressed? See, the style of mercy that Bhagwan follow is generally he just show his hand, touch the head of someone. From the heart he gives mercy, from the mind he thinks auspiciousness for someone. But keeping his own feet on the head of someone is not in everyone's destiny. Keeping the feet on the head is not in the destiny of everyone. But here came a situation in which the Lord himself got stuck. With so much pride he was saying, "Hey Bali, tell me, from where should I keep my 3rd footstep?" Bali said, "Keep it on my head. Now keep. You took all the wealth. Now take me also then. I am also yours." So Bhagwan had to keep his 3rd feet on the head of Bali Maharaj. And as soon as he kept, how those feet are.
बोलते निताई पद
It is said, Nitai Pada Kamala Kote Chandra Sushitala. जे छाए जगत जुड़ाए.
भगवान के चरणों की तुलना कमल से की गई.
Bhagwan's lotus feet has been compared with
और
lotus.
शीतलता प्रदान करने वाला होता है.
Lotus is so soft, tender and soothing, cooling. Bhagwan's lotus feet is considered compared with
शीतलता देता है.
moon, not one moon, Koti Chandra. One moon gives so much coolness and soothing, but here it is compared with millions and trillions of moon, so much soothing. And Bhagwan's lotus feet has been compared with desire fulfilling trees, which fulfills all desire.
और उनके चरणों की तुलना
And his lotus feet has been compared with Abhay Charanar Ravindar, that lotus feet which provides all kind of
वो
fearlessness.
चरण आज बलि राजा के
Those
मुख
lotus
पर
feet today
और क्या रह गया.
are present on the head of Bali Maharaj. What can be better than this? Everything, he attained everything, he attained the Lord.
तो सारा विश्व ब्रह्मांड
So,
प्राप्त हो गया.
when the Lord is attained, then the whole universe, whole bhakti,
संपूर्ण शांति प्राप्त
all
हुई.
peace, everything, all happiness is attained. Everything is attained when one attains the lotus feet of the Lord. Bhagwan came to cheat Bali,
बलि के
but
आत्मसमर्पण को देखकर
seeing the
स्वयं ही छले.
surrenderness of Bali Maharaj, he himself got cheated.
इसको नागपाश से
Bhagwan said, "O Garud, just open him from the bondage of Nagpash." And now,
इतने में बलि की पत्नी आ गई.
in the meantime, the wife of Bali Maharaj came.
हाथ जोड़कर भगवान को दंडवत
With folded hand, she paid obeisances to Bali
किया.
Maharaj.
मैं भी कुछ कहूं?
She said, "Can I also speak something, Prabhu?"
हाँ, तुम भी
Bhagwan said, "Yes, yes, why not? You also speak."
तो बलि राजा की
So,
पत्नी कहने
the
लगी,
wife of Bali Maharaj is saying, "Prabhu,
मेरे पति होते ही कौन है आपको दान देने वाले?
my
इन्होंने
husband
आपको
is
कोई
no
दान
one
नहीं
to
दिया.
give you any kind of donation. He has not donated you anything. Please understand. What is donation? Donation is something that I give something which belongs to me.
मेरे पति की कोई संपत्ति
My
नहीं है.
husband does not have anything in the name of his belonging. Everything belongs to you in this world.
ये
So this is not donation. This is just surrenderness.
इन्होंने दान नहीं दिया.
He did not
आपकी
donated you.
वस्तुएं आपको
He just
समर्पित
gave
की
your
हैं.
thing back to
दान
you,
मत कहो.
offered to you. So don't tell that he has donated you anything. For example, there is a servant in the house and the master say, "Hey, bring water for me." Then the servant brings a tray
वो चांदी के गिलास में लेकर आओ.
and nice glass of water. But the master said, "No, no, bring in golden glass, in silver glass." So the way the master has said, the servant kept on doing like that. The servant did not bring any kind of tray, glass or water from his own
समर्पण कर रहा है.
house. He is just giving the master's belonging to the master. So in the same way, my husband also did the same. You desired for 3 footsteps of land.
नहीं ऐसे नहीं, संकल्प लेकर. तो संकल्प
So,
लेकर ले लो.
You desired in a certain way. You wanted him to take a vow. So he did as your instruction, as per your instruction. So he has not actually donated. He has surrendered himself.
बलि राजा तो
He has surrendered his things to
अपनी
you.
पत्नी की भावना
So,
सुनकर आनंदित हो
Bali Maharaj is becoming very happy seeing the moods of his wife, and Vaman Bhagwan is getting surprised that what to speak of husband, the wife is even more intelligent and devotional. What kind of surrenderness? Prahlad Maharaj came from the sky paying obeisances to Vaman Bhagwan that, "Oh Prabhu, he is my grandson. This Bali Maharaj is my grandson." What kind of activity he actually did, because of which he got such great fortune which I could never get. You did not keep your lotus feet on my head. Even Lakshmi do not get this fortune.
लक्ष्मी जी के मस्तक में भी भगवान चरण नहीं रखते.
On Lakshmi ji's head also Bhagwan do not put feet. How my grandson attained this great fortune?
तुम्हारे समझ
Shri Vaman Bhagwan said, because of your connection.
हे भक्त प्रवर प्रहलाद,
O Bhakt Prahlad,
तुम्हारा पौत्र है.
because he is your grandson,
तुम्हारे संबंध के कारण
because of his connection with you,
बलि में भी आए.
that same sanskaras came inside Bali.
ऐसे
I'm really happy to this family of Bali Maharaj. They are in demon
परम भक्त इस असुर
lineage, but They are great devotee. Prahlad ji, Bali Maharaj, they are great devotee. Bali Maharaj, who actually surrendered his everything, his very own self to the Lord, knowing that I will not be having anything after this donation. Guruji also told that you will lose everything from your hand. Bali Maharaj also thought that Guruji is saying that this is Vishnu. So if nothing is there in my hand, at least I'll have Vishnu with me. Bhagwan will be there with me. And if I have attained Bhagwan, what else I need? In the same way, see what Bhavan Bhagwan is saying now. See, Bhagwan never leaves his devotees empty-handed. We think that just I offered some donation, offered some flowers, and that's it. I came empty-handed, but you are not going empty-handed from here. It seems it is empty-handed. See, there are some things which are subtle, which you cannot see from your eyes. For example, in America, in Australia, when we go in university preaching, there the students are asked, hey, we cannot see the Lord, how can we trust? First show us where the Lord is, then only we will trust. So if you talk about Gita and Bhagavad to them, they will not be able to understand. So we have to explain with logic to these people. We say, see, my boy, this is mic. You can see the mic, you can see the fan, you can see the light. He said, yes, I can see everything. Now the current which is flowing behind it, can you see that current? He said, oh, I cannot see electricity. I cannot see that. If you cannot see that flowing in the wire, so is it not present? If it is not there, then no device will work. Everything works on electricity, which you can't see. So that's why it appears that I am going empty-handed. But in front of Bhagwan, we never go empty-handed. And Shri Vaman Bhagwan showed this. He said, Bali, I actually came to fulfill the task of my mother Aditi. I came here to take the kingdom of heaven, and I took it. But I'll not leave you empty-handed, O Bali. I give you the kingdom of one of the lower planets, Sutal Lok, which is so opulent that even demigods crave for it. I give you that kingdom. You become the king of Sutal Lok. Go. And not just this, listen. When Bhagwan gives, it is like 1:3 ratio. We give 1, Bhagwan gives 3. Bali Maharaj got 3 benefits. Indra, what he got? Indra, he was crying here and there. He just desiring for the kingdom. Indra is demigod. He is very worshipable. That's fine. But Bali Maharaj, he is a devotee. If there is devotee and a demigod, who is superior? Devotee is higher, superior. That's why it is said Bhakt Vatsal Bhagwan. All glories to Bhakt Vatsal Bhagwan. Have you ever heard this Jnani Vatsal Bhagwan, Devta Vatsal Bhagwan? We always hear Bhakt devotee Vatsal. So Bali Maharaj is the king of demons, but he is a devotee. Indra just got his lost kingdom. Nothing new. But Bali Maharaj, what he got? Vaman Bhagwan explained. He said, you go and become the king of Sutal Lok. And in the next Manvantara, you become Indra. You will become Indra. Indra's position will be yours. You will become Indra in the next Manvantara. This is the second benefit. And better than this, two. Third one, the best of all benefit is that he attained the lotus feet of the Lord on the head. These 3 great benefits, and Indra just got 1 benefit. This is the glory of becoming a devotee. This is the glory of becoming surrendered. The Lord just gave all His wealth and also His lotus feet. Now what else one wants?
लेकिन पहले टेस्टिंग हुई है,
But there is a testing first.
ऐसे नहीं.
Not like this.
अप्रूवल हुआ पहले.
There is an approval first.
कैसे टेस्टिंग हुई?
How
पहले
approval
सब
happened?
छीन लूं.
I'll just abduct everything. I'll just snatch everything. And as soon as the Lord takes little bit from us, we start beating our chest. Oh, hi, everything is gone. Oh my, this thing is gone, that thing is gone.
तीन भाग मिलेंगे.
Just wait. Let
विश्वास
the
नहीं
Lord
होता?
test you.
कुछ उदाहरण बता देता हूँ.
See, let me explain you if you don't believe.
श्री कृष्ण ने हाथ में सुदर्शन चक्र लिया.
Shri Krishna lifted Sudarshan Chakra in his hand to kill Shishupal.
उंगली में थोड़ा सा कट लग गया.
There came a little cut on his finger.
और जैसी कट लगा,
And as soon as the little cut happened, there were Pandavas, there was Draupadi also. Draupadi came running like anything, saying, "Oh Keshava,
छोटा सा टुकड़ा
what this happened?" She just tore a little piece from her new dress, new sari, and she applied that on the finger of Krishna. And Krishna said, "Draupadi,
चढ़ा दिया.
you have
इसका तो चुकाना
you have
पड़ेगा.
applied such a big burden,
द्रौपदी जी ने कहा,
such a big
छोटा सा साड़ी का
favor on my head.
टुकड़ा मैंने
I have to
बहुत बड़ी बात
pay
है.
this debt to you. I have to repay this debt to you."
द्रौपदी, तुम्हारे लिए बड़ी बात नहीं.
Draupadi said that this is just a little cloth that I have given to you. Krishna said, no, this is a very big thing for me. This is not about cloth, this is about love.
साड़ी का बड़ा नहीं.
The love that you have given me, that's so big. This
जब द्रौपदी
little
पर
piece of cloth is not big, but your love is so big. And you all know that
बड़ी
when
सभा में
Draupadi
यज्ञ किया जा रहा है.
was getting disrobed in the whole assembly, at that time Krishna came in front of Draupadi
भगवान ने
in the
अवतार
form
धारण
of
कर लिया.
sari, in the form of cloth. Krishna took incarnation of sari.
पट में लिपट गए बनवारी, निरत रहे सब नर नारी, जय माधव मदन मुरारी. ये हमारे गौरराज प्रभु पहले गाया करते थे बात.
Our Prabhu used to sing in
पट में
Bhagavad,
लिपट गए
पट में
बनवारी.
लिपट गए बनवारी.
अलाप लेते थे.
He used to do nice kirtan.
श्री कृष्ण
Shri Krishna,
एक वो कपड़े में जो जितने धागे थे ना,
all the strings that were present in one that little cloth, all that string got converted into a big sari and was given to Draupadi.
गिन के आना कितने धागे होते हैं.
See, all the Matajis, you wear sari.
कितने धागे होते हैं.
Tomorrow, you come after counting all the strings in your sari. Can you count?
नंबर क्या
No.
होगा.
So what will be the number that we will say?
अनगिनत.
Unginat, infinite.
या फिर क्या बोला जाएगा, अनंत धागे.
There are infinite strings, threads.
क्योंकि अनंत का सब कुछ अनंत ही होता है. वो
Because
साड़ी नहीं, वो श्री कृष्ण अनंत ही.
Everything related to that infinite personality is infinite.
लिपट गए.
So, Krishna took the incarnation of an infinite sari and he covered the body of
एक
Draupadi.
छोटे से कपड़े के बदले में,
In return of a
एक
little
धागे
cloth,
के बदले में,
in
एक
return
साड़ी.
of one little thread of each, like each thread of that little cloth,
जैसे मैं
Krishna
उदाहरण
gave
देता हूँ,
one
तो
big
आप
big
लोगों को
sari.
समझ आएगी बात.
So I give an example through which you will
एक
understand.
बार
Once,
एक बहुत बड़े फैक्ट्री के मालिक
a great
1000
personality,
काम करते हैं.
a great
फैक्ट्री का
businessman
मालिक
who
अपने
has
घर की बेटी, अपनी
thousands of workers in his
विवाह
factory.
करना है.
Now, this
फैक्ट्री के सारे नौकर
boss,
बोलना है,
he
"ए,
is
तुम सब
inviting
लोग
all the workers for
बेटी का
the
विवाह है."
marriage ceremony of his daughter. So everyone was like, okay,
सब लोग
yes,
आए.
we will surely
इतना
come.
बड़ा fancy एक hall
Now
था,
everyone
banquet
came
था.
and they entered into this
करोड़ों
big
रुपए की
fancy
decoration थी.
banquet. Millions of
बेचारे
rupees were
नौकर
applied in the
सोचे हो गए.
decoration. All the
इतने
workers
बड़े
became very
परिवार में
hesitant,
हम छोटे से लोग
thinking that this is such a great
जैसे
event,
गेट पर आए,
big
सब
opulent
आ गए.
event, and we
अरे
are
हम
very
मेरा कोई
low
सवाल
class
नहीं है.
people. So as soon as
सर,
they
हाँ,
entered, they said,
ऑफिस
"Sir, we have
यहाँ
come."
पर तो मेरे अतिथि हो.
And the boss said, "Hey,
और अतिथि
don't
हो,
say me sir here. You are my
आप
guest here.
सब लोग अंदर आइए.
Sir is in office, is
अच्छे
in
से खाइए
factory."
पिए.
So
और मेरी कन्या को
come
बेटी को
here,
आशीर्वाद
please
दो, बस
come,
यही चाहता हूँ।
eat nicely and give blessings to my daughter.
सब बड़े
That's only what I
प्रसन्न,
want.
कितने अच्छे हैं।
All the
इतना मान
workers
दिया
became
आपको।
very happy that
इतने
how
बड़े
nice
होकर
our boss
भी
is.
अरबोपति है,
He is billionaire,
लेकिन हम
trillionaire.
नौकरों को भी इतना
But
मान देते हैं।
he is giving so much respect
सबने
to
खूब
us
enjoy
also.
किया।
We are servants.
और स्टेज पे
Everyone
चढ़कर हमारी
relished,
बेटी को
enjoyed and
विश भी किया,
wished,
greet किया।
give blessings to the daughter of
और जाते समय
the
जो
boss.
हमारी रीति
And
है,
while
रिवाज,
going back, as we have a custom in India,
क्या
that we give
जाते समय एक
some
लिफाफा दिया जाता है ना, envelope दिया जाता
some
है।
money in
क्या
envelope
बोला जाता है उसको?
in the form of blessings, in the form of congratulation. That's not donation. That's like a congratulation,
अब सब
expression
सोच रहे हैं,
of
हमारे लोग क्या
congratulation.
हैं, ये हमारे अन्नदाता हैं।
So
बेचारे गरीब हैं, 25
everyone is
हजार रुपए
thinking
महीना
that
कमाते हैं।
what we can give, we are
उनके लिए
servants,
1100
we
रुपए
are
बहुत बड़ी बात है।
menial workers in the factory, and what we can give. So they made an envelope of 1100 rupees, and with so much
इसके धक्का पे
hesitation,
मत जाना।
they came to the boss and said that, sir, please don't go to the amount, just consider our
यूं तो मेरे को कुछ
feelings
देना नहीं
that
था
is
तुमको
present
मुझसे।
inside this envelope.
तुमने भावना की बात
The
कही
boss
है।
said that although I did not want to take this envelope from you, but because you have talked about your feelings and emotions, I will take it.
उसको प्रणाम किया।
He
तो
accepted,
कितना
applied that envelope on the head and respected so much.
किसी की वस्तु को मस्तक
Such a
पे छूना का
gentleman.
मतलब होता है उसका मान रखना,
See,
आदर करना।
Taking something from anyone and applying on the head means you are respecting so much that offering someone is doing to you. So now everyone became so pleased seeing the gentle nature of this boss, and everyone appreciated all the workers. They said that, oh, we did not know that our boss is so humble and so nice.
तो एक नौकर दूसरे को बोलता है,
So now one worker, he says to another worker saying that, oh, I have the marriage of my daughter also in the next month. So should we invite the boss? He said that boss will not come. Why will he come in the marriage of my daughter? But still, the friends, they forced him. And then the worker went to the boss and said that, boss, my daughter is getting married next month. Will you come? This is the little card. So he stood up and accepted that invitation card. And very happily he said that, why not? I will come. You all came in the marriage of my daughter. I will also come in your daughter's marriage. Now next month when the marriage was there, the boss came with a very huge big car. And there was a little arrangement for that ceremony. Now all the workers, they stood up and were saluting, saying that, oh Sahab, oh boss, you came here. We really are very grateful. The boss said, hey, don't call me boss here. Boss only is in factory. I am just your guest. Okay. Please come inside. Please accept some food and blessings. Give blessings to our daughter. And now this person also did the same. This boss also did the same. He blessed. He took food. And then while he is going back, he will also give some money in the name of congratulations as the custom. So now you tell, will he also give only 1100 rupees as the workers give? No. The greater person has to keep his status. A big man has to keep his status, his profile intact. Now these workers, they gave 1100 rupees. But will the boss also give 1100 rupees? No. He just brought out his checkbook and he just cut the check of 5 million rupees. You are clapping as if you are getting that check. See, while going back, he is giving that check of 5 million rupees. So he applied that check in the envelope and he gave to the worker without letting him know. He said that there are my moods, my emotions in this, don't go in the amount. So when the boss left, the worker saw that 51 lakh rupees, 5 million rupees, I'll get my 2 daughters married in this. This is such a great deal, great thing. So what you can understand from this?
उसको अपना
See,
status
everyone
maintain
has their
करना
own
पड़ता है।
status. The servant has his own
हम
status. The
आप हैं
master has his
भगवान
own
के नौकर,
status. We are
है
all
कि नहीं?
servant, right or
दास
wrong.
है। और जब मालिक देगा ना,
But
उसको
when
अपना status maintain
the
रखना
Malik,
पड़ेगा।
the master, the supreme lord, he will give something. He has to keep his status. His status is not like us ours. Will he not get defamed if he don't follow his status? See, Draupadi just gave a little cloth and the Lord, he applied the factory of saris to protect Draupadi when needed. See another example. What Sudama ji brought for Bhagwan. Sudama ji brought just one handful of uncooked rice. And the Lord, he accepted just little bit. One handful of that rice. And when Sudama ji came back to his place, did he also give just one little pot of rice in return to all that? No. When Sudama ji came back to his house, he found that his hut got converted into a great palace. A little cow got converted into big elephants. In just overnight, Sudama attained all wealth just by providing a little bit uncooked rice to Krishna. Now here, third example. In Braj, there was this fruit seller who came to sell her fruits, and very nice Alfonso Alfonso mango she was selling, calling out, take fruits, take fruits. So Krishna is thinking inside the house that I am the fruit giver. I am the one who gives fruits to everyone of their karmas, everything. I am the one who gives fruits. Krishna has said in Bhagavad Gita that you can work on your karma, but I am the fruit giver. Now, who is this woman who is giving fruits? So now when he came out, he found that this fruit seller is there. Now seeing Kanhaiya, this woman started saying, take Govind, take Damodar, instead of saying take fruits. She is just selling Govind, Damodar. Take Govind, take Damodar. So this fruit seller, she is calling Kanhaiya, hey, come here. Kanhaiya came. And then she asked, hey, will you take fruits? Yes. Oh, they are very expensive fruits. Kanhaiya just said that I don't have anything to give you in return. This fruit seller said, just sit on my lap and just once call me mother. I do not want anything from you. Kanhaiya thought that I am the son of Nanda Maharaj, of Yashoda Maya. How can I sit in anyone else like this, on anyone's lap? He at once sat on the lap, called Ma, oh mother, Mama, and then he just stood up at once. Now, this fruit seller, when she heard the voice of Krishna calling her mother, Ma, now this fruit seller became so much mesmerized and blissful. She gave so many fruits on the little hands of Krishna. Now Krishna, very nicely walking, he is going inside. And he is saying that, wait, I will go inside, I will come out and give you something in return. Now, there were many grains inside the house, so Krishna, with his little wrist, he just took palmful of little grains, and when he was coming, most of the grains fell off from the hand. Now she came, Kanhaiya came in front of this fruit seller and started giving. Now this fruit seller started thinking, how innocent my Kanhaiya is. One side my expensive fruits and another side he just gave me 2 drop of grains. So she said, okay, fine. She just kept those grains in the bucket. Now, when the fruit seller, she lifted the bucket, she found that it's very heavy. When she put it down, she found that it's full of jewels, diamonds, so many different things. She gave just few fruits to Kanhaiya, and when Kanhaiya will give in return, he will not give only some fruits. He will give so much in abundance.
नहीं फटे नहीं, ऐसे बोल रहा हूँ।
पत्रम पुष्पम फलम तोयम यो में भक्त प्रणश्यति।
गीता जी में कह दिया भगवान ने, एक कोई पत्ता, एक फल, एक जल अर्पण करता है, ये हम करेंगे।
In Gita, Bhagwan ji has said that if anyone offers some fruit, some flower, some leaves, some water,
भगवान कहते हैं वो जल
then what I give in return?
तुलसी दल मात्रेना जल,
Tulsi dal matrana jalasya chulke nava vikriditam.
तुलसी लेकर भगवान को अर्पण करने
If
से
a person just donate, offer Ganga jal and Ganga water and tulsi, then Bhagwan is saying that I sell myself to that person. So if a person has brought the Lord only, then he can brought everything, he can buy everything. See, if you buy 1 kg of apples, you give 200 rupees and you buy 1 kg of apple. Now you can do anything with that apple. You can throw, you can eat, whatever you do. In the same way, the Lord's devotees, they just buy the Lord. How they buy? By Premanjana.
भगवान को प्रेम से खरीद लेते हैं।
They buy the Lord
बांट सकते हैं, भगवान रोक नहीं सकते।
by love. And they can distribute that Lord to anyone. And the Lord cannot say anything that why you are giving to this person, why you are giving to that person. He has no say in that because we have brought it. So if you want bhakti of the Lord, you want proximity of the Lord, then only the Lord's devotee can give that. No one else. And at the lotus feet of those devotees, at the lotus feet of Gangaji, at the lotus feet of Bhagwatji, we pay obeisances and we request that, oh Bhagwan, please give us that bhakti, that love. Shri Bali Maharaj stayed as the king in Sutalok and he said that, Prabhu, I will not go alone, I will take you. You just stay outside my courtyard, you stay outside my assembly as a guard, because when I'll go inside and out, I will keep having your darshan. Now Bhagwan got stuck here, he had to go. Now so much time passed and in Vaikuntha, Lakshmi ji is thinking that my husband went and he did not return. Where he is? Narad ji, he told everything, saying, oh, your husband Vaman Bhagwan, he actually got stuck in the hand of his devotee. He is there in Sutal Lok, he is standing outside as a guard in the assembly of Bali Maharaj. You only have to do something, otherwise nothing can happen. So Lakshmi ji became very upset. She came in the form of a Brahmani in the assembly of Bali Maharaj and started saying, oh Bali Maharaj, there is no one superior donor than you. Bali Maharaj said that, oh Brahmani, I pay you obeisances. Brahmani said, I have come here to take something, donation. Bali Maharaj said that whoever comes in my assembly, they do not go empty-handed. No, Brahmani said, no, you have to take vow. Now Bali Maharaj became very much cautious because of his previous experience that again someone is asking me to take the vow before donation. So Bali Maharaj said that no, I will not take the vow because I have got previous experiences. You can ask like this. She said that then I will not ask, I'll go. Okay, great. Don't go. Said, first take the vow. Okay, I'll take the vow. Whatever you will ask, I'll give you. Now Brahmani said that I am Lakshmi actually. And this is my Prabhu Vaman Bhagavan. Vaikuntha is completely empty without him. Please give me my husband back. Now Bali Maharaj started crying. Oh Lakshmi ji, please don't say like this to me. I cannot leave my Prabhu. He has actually kept his feet on my head. I cannot leave those lotus feet. Like a little child, he started crying. Lakshmi ji said, oh, listen to me. You have taken the vow. You have to give me. Bali Maharaj said, yes, I have taken the vow. Okay. I gave my Prabhu's hand in your hand. You can take him. What can I do? Shivaman Bhagwan said, Bali, I am going with Lakshmi. But in one another Swarup, I will always reside near you. Bhagwan can accept so many forms. He said, I will not leave you.
राजा सुनना चाहते थे
This is what Bali Maharaj wanted to
और
hear.
सब समय वामन भगवान की सेवा करते हुए
Now, serving Vaman Bhagwan all the time, Bali Maharaj is present.
ऐसे सुंदर चरित्र को जो श्रवण
Such
करता है
auspicious, beautiful
उनको भगवान
pastime,
की
whoever
प्राप्ति
hears,
होती है।
they attain the lotus feet of the
और
Lord.
हमको तो हर रोज भगवान का चरणामृत प्राप्त होता है।
And we attain
श्री गंगा जी के रूप में
the
जो
Charanamrit of Bhagwan in the form of Ganga,
वामन भगवान
who is flowing here.
बोलो श्री वामन भगवान
All
की
glories to Vaman Bhagwan.
बोलो भागवत महापुराण की
Jai Ho.
बोलो श्री बलि राजा की
Jai.
निताई गौर प्रेमानंदे।
Hari Hari Bol.
आज की कथा को यहीं पर विराम
We
देते हैं।
conclude today's Hari Katha here.
आज की कथा को यहीं विराम देते हैं। कल हमारी कथा का बड़ा सुंदर प्रसंग है।
Tomorrow our Hari Katha has a very beautiful topic. Tomorrow is Janmashtami.
नहीं जन्माष्टमी तो भाद्र मास
You
में
will
है।
say, no, Janmashtami do not come in this month, it comes in August. Yes, you are right. It comes in August.
Anniversary
But
मनाते हैं,
like we
ऐसे
celebrate
भागवत जी में
anniversary, in the same way,
चतुर्थ दिवस की जो कथा उसमें कल हम
the fourth day of Bhagavad, we hear Krishna Janam. We hear the birth pastimes of the source of all incarnation, Shri Krishna.
आप लोग सभी समय पर 3:30 बजे यहाँ पर
So, you all please come
7 बजे भी गंगा
at
जी की
3:30
आरती होगी।
and 7 o'clock we will have Ganga Aarti.
दर्शन पे हम लोग जाएंगे। अभी 10 मिनट बचे हैं। हमारे गौराज प्रभु
So, we have 10 minutes. Our Gauraj Prabhu will sing some Mahamantra.